Hey everyone, this is Rachel and welcome to my unboxing video for my Scrapbooking Store's January 2020 kit. We are working this month with another collection pack as the main kit, and then once I share that, I will share the embellishment upgrade, both of which are available as either a single purchase or a subscription on the Scrapbooking Store's website. All of the information for that is in the description box below, their website, their Facebook page, if you want to check out some of the design team members' stuff. And then also included down there is my affiliate link. So if you would like to subscribe or make a single purchase from their website or their online scrapbooking store, if you use that link, it doesn't cost any more for you. It just gives me a little bit of a commission if you like what you see and you'd like to have the same product. All right, so what are we doing for January 2020? We are working with Simple Stories Winter Farmhouse, which is awesome. So I'm super excited about this. I don't tend to do outdoorsy things, but the color palette here will work really, really well for indoorsy cozy things, I think. And I think I will be able to work quite well with this. So let's go through the papers that come in the kit. You do get 12 sheets of double-sided papers, as well as a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So paper number 1 is called Hello Winter, and it has this beautiful aqua color. And then in the corners, you've got this birdie on some flower sprigs, and then some snowflakes in the upper left-hand corner. The B side of this is a really fun cream and red plaid. Next up, we have Warm and Cozy, which is this lovely muted floral pattern over a cream wood grain background. I don't know how well that shows up in the video, but it is definitely a wood grain background. It is very, very pretty. The B side of this is another floral. This one is a cream on mustardy yellow. This would be perfect for matting photos. It's just really, really pretty. Next up, we have Frosty Mornings, which is this super pretty green. And then on top of that is the pattern of pine cones. I think I tried to say pancakes. I'm a little hungry right now. I will be totally honest. I need to go eat dinner. Sorry, random thought there. Pine cones and sprigs of leaves and some little berries as well. The B side are birch trees. I love birch trees. They're just so pretty. Next up, we have Cuddle Up, which is a black and white plaid. What are they called? Buffalo plaid. I think that's what, when it's like straight on like this in just 2 colors. The B side of this is another floral. This one with a heavy accent on the dark brown pine cones. Those are what really pop in my eye for this one. We then have Feelin' Frosty, and this has a bunch of snowflakes on it. The B side of this is a super creamy wood grain, which is beautiful for a background, absolutely. Next up, we have Falling Snow, and once again, we have a wood grain pattern, this time with snow-frosted pine trees in kind of like stripes, but they're very au naturel stripes, if that makes any sense. The B side of this is a black and cream micro polka dot. Also very good for backgrounds if you want a really dark background. Next up, we have Winter Days, and these have mason jars that are filled with, mason jars being used as snow globes with different winter themes in them, including sleds and trees and flowers and snowmen. So that is super cute. That would be really fun to take a strip of and do that as kind of like a grounding point for a layout, or for the elements on a layout. The next one, the B side of that, is a mini plaid in a mustard and cream. Next up, we have Snowed In, and it's a beautiful house with a bunch of trees and a very stylized, not super realistic pattern. So it's very cute. I like that though. And then the B side is another plaid. This one is a more intricate plaid. intricate plaid. Oh my goodness, words are hard for me tonight. I apologize. Of black, cream, and then it's either a light gray, but it has a hint of green to it. So it's more of a greenish gray. Then we come to the element parts of the kit. We first have some 2x2 elements, and it's got some really cute things that we could use as the actual squares, or we could fussy cut them out and use them as embellishments, or use punches and punch parts of them out to make them a different shape, like a circle. Super fun. The B side of this are more snowflakes. This time they are smaller, and this is a very pretty B side. Great for another one for matting. Next up, we have the 3x4 elements, and these are very cute. Some of them for journaling, some of them, once again, you could fussy cut them out. You could use them as is. Really cute. The B side of this is a deep red and cream mini floral. Very, very pretty. We then have the 4x4 elements. Once again, just really great either for journaling or for adding as an embellishment, whether you fussy cut it out or whether you just leave it as the 4x4. Really, really cute. Up to snow good. That's very funny. The V side of this are a bunch of different wreaths. So very, very cute. This would be awesome, like as like a chunk behind your main photos. I just think that would be really, really pretty. I like how all of the colors from the kit are in here. And then I think this is, yeah. And then our final piece of paper is called, oh, so all of the elements pages are called what they are. So it's 2x2 elements, 3x4 elements, 4x4 elements, and this one is called 4x6 elements. And once again, it's a mix of horizontal and vertical, and just super useful whether you make Project Life or whether you make traditional layouts as either traditional layouts or Project Life. Woohoo! The B side of this is another plaid, this one being the most intricate. We've got red and green and gold and black, and it's just super pretty. I love the plaids that are on an angle. Those are my favorite. All right, so that is all of the paper included in the kit. And then the last item in the main kit for January 2020 is the 12x12 element cardstock stickers. So these are a mix of border stickers, word and phrase stickers. We've got some fancy file tab stickers and some regular file tab stickers, and then we go into icons and words as well, all very like obviously the same iconography from the papers. So that is what is in the main kit for Scrapbooking Store for January 2020. Now let's talk about the embellishment add-on. All right, now it is time to show you guys the upgrade embellishment kit that you can add on to the main kit if you would like. It's very economically friendly. I think this is a really great way to build your stash if you're a new scrapbooker. It's a really great way to have some new things in your stash if you have a bunch of stuff, but not break the bank and not have so much stuff that you're like, oh my gosh, what am I going to do with all of this? So there are 3 items in this month's upgrade. We are getting the Winter Farmhouse Bits and Pieces ephemera pack, and there are 54 bits and pieces, and they are super duper cute. I love this keeping cozy, or I think that's what it says. Stay cozy. Oh my gosh, I can't read anymore with my glasses on. I have to take them off to read because I'm getting old. Isn't that super fun? And then the winter days and all just the really great icons in here that will work awesome on scrapbook pages. We are also getting the Winter Farmhouse enamel dots. If you are a follower of mine for a long time, you know I really, really love enamel dots, and I was super excited when I saw these. I really love this mustard color. That's not in a lot of collections, so I think that's really great. And then the final thing in the upgraded kit are these glitter stickers from American Crafts. There are 304 stickers, and that is because not only is there the uppercase, there's also numbers, which I'll be totally honest, I don't always remember to use numbers, but then you also get the lowercase, which is great because sometimes I want to do camel case and I just don't have that option because not every alpha has both the upper and lower cases. And so I was super excited to get those as well. Plus they're silver glitter, and anytime I can get glitter in that isn't going to come off the page, I'm a happy girl. All right, so that is the Scrapbooking Store's January 2020 kit. Let's not jump ahead a full year. Okay, 2019 went by quick enough. But that is the kit that is available for January 2020. If you have any interest in joining the Kit Club, or if you have any interest in shopping at their online store, as I said at the beginning, all of the links are in the description box below. And if you would like to, you may use my affiliate link. And as I said, that does not cost you any more money. It just gives me a little bit of a commission. Thank you guys so much. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can just leave a comment in below. They also have a great Facebook page as well as chat feature on their website if you have any questions for the Scrapbooking Store. All right, folks, that is going to be my video for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.